Here is our patient, the Model Power 440, about to receive bullfrog snot. Connected to a power source with the wheels turning at yard speed. Bullfrog snot being applied to the drivers. Allow to continue to rotate until it's cured, maybe about 10 or 15 minutes. After a brief curing period, the snot will look like this on your drivers. Now set it aside for a few hours, preferably overnight, for it to fully cure before putting it on your layout. The same engine that couldn't pull one car up this grade now handles a long train because it has bullfrog snot. For increased conductivity, you can remove the bullfrog snot from the wheel flange using a sharp X-Acto knife, as shown. Use increased speed, the excess snot will be removed.